Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that's sure to elevate your party experience, the Philips X5206 Bluetooth Party Speaker. We found this incredible speaker online, and if you'd like to check the latest price and availability, you can find the link in the description below. The Philips X5206 is not just any speaker, it's a powerful Bluetooth party speaker designed to deliver an exceptional audio experience. This speaker features two 8-inch woofers and two 3-inch tweeters, creating a robust sound profile that's perfect for any occasion, whether you're indoors or enjoying the great outdoors. The speaker is engineered to provide deep, pumping bass that can truly fill a room, making it an excellent choice for parties, gatherings, or even just a fun day out. One of the standout features of the X5206 is its impressive battery life. With a built-in rechargeable battery, you get a whopping 14 hours of playtime on just a 3-hour charge. This means you can keep the music going all day without worrying about finding a power outlet. Plus, its trolley design with a built-in handle makes it incredibly portable. Just grab it and go, and you'll be ready to take the party wherever the fun takes you. When it comes to power, the Philips X5206 doesn't disappoint. It boasts 160W maximum power with 80W RMS, ensuring that your music is not only loud but also rich and full. The 2.0 sound channels deliver crisp highs and deep lows, creating a well-rounded audio experience that keeps everyone dancing and having a good time. But that's not all. The Philips X5206 comes with fantastic lighting effects that can transform any gathering into a lively party atmosphere. The speaker features a ring of colored lights that pulsate to the beat of your music. It also offers 4 LED lighting modes and 3 voice modes: echo, bass, and treble, allowing you to customize the experience to your liking. This feature is particularly fun for karaoke sessions, letting you add a professional touch to your performances. Now, who is this speaker suitable for? If you love hosting parties, whether they are just casual get-togethers or larger celebrations, the Philips X5206 is a perfect choice. It's also great for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy picnics, beach days, or camping trips and want to bring along their favorite tunes. Additionally, if you're someone who loves karaoke, this speaker is designed with you in mind. The microphone and guitar inputs allow you to take center stage and showcase your vocal talents. In terms of practical use cases, you can imagine setting up this speaker at a backyard barbecue, where it can provide the soundtrack to a summer day filled with laughter and good food. Or picture it at a birthday party where the kids can sing along to their favorite songs with the karaoke feature. The versatility of the Philips X5206 makes it an excellent addition to any social event. You can also connect your devices easily. Whether you prefer streaming via Bluetooth or using a wired connection through USB or audio in, this speaker offers flexibility to suit your needs. Plus, if you wish to enhance your sound even further, you can connect it to another speaker or amplifier using the line-out jack. And for those who love to tweak their sound, the rotary controls for bass and treble adjustment allow for fine-tuning the audio to match your personal preferences. In summary, the Philips X5206 Bluetooth party speaker truly stands out with its powerful sound, extensive battery life, customizable lighting effects, and karaoke features. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a day out, or just want to relax with some music, this speaker has you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to